How can I make my retirement message personal and heartfelt?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video on how to make your retirement message personal and heartfelt. Retirement is a significant milestone in one's life, and sending a thoughtful message to a retiring colleague, friend, or family member can make their transition into this new chapter even more meaningful. In this video, we will explore some tips and ideas to help you craft a retirement message that truly comes from the heart. So, let's dive in.
Reflect on your relationship.
When starting to write a retirement message, it's essential to take a moment to reflect on your relationship with the person who is retiring. Consider the memories you've shared, the experiences you've had together, and the impact they've had on your life. Highlight the moments that stand out to you and have made a lasting impression. This reflection will serve as the foundation for your heartfelt message.
Express gratitude and appreciation.
One of the most important elements of a personal and heartfelt retirement message is expressing your gratitude and appreciation for the retiring individual. Take the time to acknowledge their contributions, accomplishments, and the positive influence they've had on others. Highlight specific instances where their guidance, support, or expertise made a difference. Make it clear how their presence will be missed and how they've made a lasting impact on the people around them.
Share personal anecdotes.
To make your retirement message truly personal, consider sharing personal anecdotes or stories about the retiree. These stories could be lighthearted and funny, showcasing the retiree's sense of humor or memorable moments you've shared. Alternatively, you can share more profound and touching stories that illustrate the retiree's character, resilience, or kindness. Highlight the moments that showcase their unique qualities and make them who they are.
Offer well wishes for the future.
As the retiree embarks on this new phase of life, it's important to offer well wishes and support for their future endeavors. Express your hopes and dreams for their retirement, whether it's pursuing new hobbies, traveling the world, or spending quality time with loved ones. Let them know that you believe in their abilities to make the most of this exciting chapter, and encourage them to embrace all the opportunities that come their way.
Add a personal touch.
To make your retirement message even more personal and heartfelt, consider adding a personal touch. This could be including a favorite quote or poem that resonates with the retiree, sharing a meaningful photo or video clip, or even creating a personalized piece of artwork or handwritten letter. Highlight the efforts you've made to make the message unique and tailored specifically to the retiree. These personal touches demonstrate your thoughtfulness and make the retirement message truly special. Congratulations! You've now learned some valuable tips and ideas on how to make your retirement message personal and heartfelt. Remember to reflect on your relationship, express gratitude and appreciation, share personal anecdotes, offer well wishes for the future, and add a personal touch. By incorporating these elements into your retirement message, you'll create a heartfelt and memorable tribute that the retiree will cherish for years to come. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in crafting your retirement message.